He's been there for a very, very long time. Can you take him out for me? Let's clean him up. Come on. Huh?
Yeah.
Go on then.
You bring him.
Pardon?
You bring him. You like to fix him?
What?
Like to fix him.
We have to fix him.
I'm jumping off this.
Hey, stop doing that.
I'm jumping off this board.
Don't, Uzi.
Right.
Help us fix this Henry out now. Come on. Oh, that is disgustingly gross.
I've been there for 2 years, guys.
Ew.
Dad, that's been there
First, let's get this out.
That's been there
That's a
for
hose.
2 years.
Been there for at least 1 full year. Just sitting there.
I've been there for 2 years.
Oh.
Did you see that? My dog, my dad moved it. There's wood in it. There's water.
Full of water, probably, isn't it?
Yeah.
Go on then. Open it up for me. Oh, guys, look at the state of this Henry. Spiders and all sorts. Okay, what's this? Oh, that was to do with the motor. Let's open up these clips. Guys, look at that. I just touched that side of it and there's snails on the sides. I got one opened. I just put my foot on it. Got that in the end. Guys, I don't know what's going to be inside him. You can get a shot. Who knows what's going to be inside him?
He doesn't have any eyes.
Adam, do you want to open up the lid though? Come on, be brave.
This is all bad. This is all bad.
Oh.
It's you over here and both sides in here.
Look at that filter.
Ew!
That is the world's disgustingest Henry.
Dad, I'm going to
Pardon?
Dad, hold this.
How we can't clean that up? Adam, how do you... What are we going to do with that?
Explain him on my I need him.
Look at that. Uzi, let go of that stick. I want to borrow your stick. Can I borrow your stick, please?
Yeah.
Ew.
I'm not done clean with that.
Guys.
I'm not done chop off that now.
What's that?
That's your door. That's your door. That's your door. That's your door.
Don't touch it, guys. Don't touch it.
Dad just jumped it in there. Dad, look, there's a big animal. Dad, look, there's a big animal.
Oh, yeah. Uh-oh, guys. Somebody's after us. Can you see that?
It's a dog.
It's our kitten. Hello.
Hi.
Hi, Tubby.
Hi, Tubby Losh.
Tubby, do you like Henry's? Alright, guys.
That was just me.
I don't know what we're going to do about this Henry Hoover.
Yeah.
We got a tap here. Let's see if this tap is still functioning after 1 year. Oops, yep, tap works still.
I said, what's that? Guys, look. Guys, look. I painted it.
Wow.
It's been on Henry. Who painted it?
Okay. Ew. I'm going to take him over.
It's been a water.
I don't want to pick him up. I don't want to get my clothes dirty. So I'm going to just kick him over to the water. And then we're going to empty him. Okay, come. Let's see. Ew.
That's a skeleton or what?
Oh, guys, I don't want to do it here on the path. Let's empty him in the bushes somewhere. Hey, Uzi, hold my camera for me.
Alright.
Hold my camera for me, Uzi. Thanks. Alright, get this disgusting. Can you see that?
Yeah. Die.
No, you're not filming it, Uzi.
That's
Like that.
good.
Yeah, let's empty him now. Let's take him over here. Oh my gosh, look at the state of it. Alright, come on boys. That is the disgustingest Hoover I've seen in my life, yeah?
Yeah.
But maybe if we clean him up, it'll get working again.
I make some of these colours.
Go on
I
then.
need to wash them. Dad, what's this?
Guys, stand back. Henry's about to overflow in a second. Look at that. Alright. Look at that. A Henry water fountain. Stand back, guys.
Don't worry, Dad. Your hair or water was like it was.
A bit better now. Alright. So that's that done to the Henry. Adam, you silly boy. You got your trousers wet. How did you do that?
From the water. Remember, but look what I have.
Alright. Make some slits on Henry.
What does that mean?
Like, we need to cut Henry here and cut Henry here.
Oh!
Do you think you can do that?
Yeah.
Go on then.
It's a harder. Dangerous starting touch Henry.
He's indestructible, isn't he?
It's harder. Yeah.
Let's leave him outside for a little while. Let's get some fairy liquid and stuff. Polish him up, yeah? And make another video. What do you say, Adam?
Yeah. That's good.
Alright then, guys. Like and subscribe.